Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's problem statement is check the given number is even or odd. So in this video, first we will get the input from the user using scanner class and we will check the number is either even or odd and print the result. So here I already created the class number operations and inside the class I created one static method even or odd. The return type is void. So just go to the implementation. I created scanner, scan object name and new scanner system.in for getting input from the user. So using scanner object, we get the integer input from the user. Next int. And store this input into the int data type number variable name. So here we created the scanner object for getting inputs from the user and using scanner object to getting inputs from the user and store it into the variable called number in the integer data type. So next we check the number is even or odd. So I'm using if condition. So the number modulus 2 equal to 0, just print system.out.println even, because the number is divided by 2, it will be even, right? If it is not divisible by 2, it is not an even number. So else just print system.out.println odd. So that's it here. Next, in the main class, I call that method using the class name. The class name is number operations dot even or odd. The even or odd method is the static method, so we don't want to create an object for that class. Just call the method using class name. So now I just run the method, run this program. Yeah, it asking, right? I can't see that. Okay. I will give to, yeah, it's even. So I can, here I can add the message system.out.println enter number. So we can clearly see the console what it's asking. So here you can see that enter number, I can give 11. So it's odd. Again I run this program. It asking enter number. I give triple one. Okay. It's odd. Yeah, right. Also we can give here, like we don't want to create this much of line to check this. We can directly check the number is even or odd using a conditional statement. I just comment this. Here I just print this out. Here I can give the condition number modulus 2 equal 0. If the condition is true, print even. Else the condition is false, print odd. That's it. So here you can see that if we use if condition, we need to write 4 number of lines. But here the conditional statement is just a single line. Now we just run this program. Yeah, it asking enter the number. I just gave 890. Yeah, it's even. Yeah, that's right. If I give 2, it's even. Yeah, that's it.